very good afternoon to one and all who have joined us here today. Forward to the much awaited event at hand. I, Shashwati Sanyal, the MC for today's event, would like to point out the pride that we feel in ourselves as we carry the baton forward to the next generation of future leaders. On shoulders that are held high and squared tight, on shoulders that would carry the world to its glorious future. And with that, I would like to quote M.D. Arnold. A good leader is one who leads the group from above. A great leader is one who leads the group from within them. And to cheer us on, we have the President and the Chief Guest of today's ceremony, Mr. Hassan Chaugule sir. Our guest of honor and director at DPS Monarch, Mr. Sridharan Kuni Ramat sir. Our respected principal ma'am, Miss Meenal Bakshi. Our headmistress for senior school, Miss Madhu Upal ma'am. Our headmistress of primary and kindergarten, Miss Jyoti Gupta ma'am, along with all our coordinators, teachers, students, and my very own dear parents. A very, very warm welcome to all of you present here today. Before we proceed, I would now like to invite Muhammad Asif of grade 9 to please come and recite the solemn prayer of God.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. I seek refuge in Allah from Shaitan, the accursed one. All praise in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. All praise is for Allah, Lord of the world, the most gracious, the most merciful, the master of the day of judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor, not of those incurred your anger, not of those who are astray. Thank you.
We now move on to our next segment, a welcome dance performance by the girls of the senior school. Sachi Darwal, Anushka Mohanty, Atulya Subhash, Sai Shruti, Shreya Philip, Namita Nair, and Aarti Subhash have spent days together to make their move a perfect one. This dance performance will surely be one of its kinds. So audience, please put your hands together and welcome the dancing divas.
nam ta rum ta dhalam ku tak tak da da tangir tak 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 ta jum tak jum jum ta takita ta da ta jum tak jum ta tanam ta rum ta takita ta da tangir tak tak ta tarita ta dhanata ta runata ta dimita ta da jum tanam rum tagadim takir tak tangir tak ta dim ta tarikir tak ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dhana ta tangir tak dim ta tarikir ta jum dim dak takita jum jum takita dak jum ta jum takita ta jum kir tak ta dam tarita ta dhana tarita ta tarita ta tarikir ta dhana ta jum tarita dhana ta tangir ta tarikir ta jum dim da ta jum nam dak takita jum ta dim tom nam ta tangir ta di ta dhana ta tarikir dhana ta dhana ta dim ta tarita ta dhana ta di ta dhana ta tangir ta dim tarikir ta dim tarikir ta dim tarikir ta dim tarikir ta jum tarikir ta tangir tarikir dingir tarikir tongir tarikir ta.
That was tremendous performance, girls, and indeed an awe-inspiring welcome to the events at hand. The investiture ceremony signifies the reliance and the confidence that the school consigns to its newly appointed office bearers. Donning the mantle of accountability, they also pledge to bestow their responsibilities and duties to the best of their abilities. Keeping that approach in mind, we take pride in introducing the Senior School Student Council members to all of us present here. With pride in their voice and confidence in their stride, we wish the Council the very best in their journey forward. I now take this opportunity to welcome our Principal Ma'am, Miss Meenal Bakshi, to please come forward and address all of us here with her words of wisdom. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Shashwati Sanyal. A very good afternoon to my dear students. Members of Senior Student Council, school management, teachers and parents. Firstly, I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, Mr. Hassan Chogle, President of our school, and Mr. Sridharan Punirmat, School Director. Thank you for joining us, sirs. I also take this opportunity to welcome other members of the school management, teachers, parents on this special occasion of Senior School Investor Ceremony of DPS Monarch International School. I'm glad that finally, during this pandemic, our very first Senior Student Council of the year 2021 is in place. Dear Student Council members, your investors marks a major milestone, both in your learning journey at DPS Monarch as well as in your personal development as future leaders of the world. I now declare you Senior Student Council of DPS Monarch International School and confer upon you. It's a proud moment for all of us to see our young leaders taking this responsibility. Student council members, a piece of advice for you. Please remember, getting a school appointment is a huge opportunity and recognition. It also reflects the relationship between students and teachers. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. As young leaders, your power and authority will flow from your responsible behavior and the examples that you set. Your fellow students must see in you an ideal schoolmate. You cannot go and show them the piece of paper stating your authority and expect them to do what you do not practice yourself. Please do remember, conviction, integrity, and compassion are the keys to your success now. In a position of responsibility, you also lose a bit of your freedom. You will be more scrutinized than before. Everybody around you will expect more from you. You will also have to make a balance between your additional responsibilities, your studies, co-curricular activities, and sports. This is where your leadership qualities will be put to test. If you ask me, what are the greatest challenges of a school appointment? I must tell you a few, like decision making, dealing with your own close friends, taking up issues of concern with the school authorities and teachers, and a temptation to become more popular amongst the student population. But I'm sure you will overcome all these and live up to everyone's expectations. I would like to mention here that we will be on your side, but keep monitoring you in your new role also. I congratulate each one of you and wish you a fulfilling and a great learning experience as a student council member. Thank you for your time, everyone. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Those were indeed some very inspiring words from you that I'm sure is going to hold all of us in good stead for a long, long time to come. I would now like to take this opportunity to call upon our head boy and head girl for the oath-taking ceremony.
Repeat after me.
I, Abhina Jijit, head boy of the school,
I, Atulya Subhash, head girl of the school,
promise that
promise that
as a member of the Senior Student Council,
as a member of the Senior Student Council,
I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely.
I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely.
I will uphold loyalty to the tradition and ethos of the school.
I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school.
I promise that
I promise that
I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the school
I will respect and abide by the rules and regulations of the school
in the true spirit for the glory and honor of my school.
in the true spirit for the glory and honor of my school.
I also pledge that
I also pledge that
I will respect my teachers and management
I will respect my teachers and management
and try my best to show discipline
and try my best to show discipline
throughout the year.
throughout the year.
I promise to help create a team spirit within the school.
I promise to help create a team spirit within the school.
I will actively participate in the school activities
I will actively participate in the school activities
and endeavor to bring laurel and glory to it.
and endeavor to bring laurel and glory to it.
I understand that
I understand that
it's a privilege to be on the DPS Monarch Senior Student Council
it is a privilege to be on the DPS Monarch Senior Student Council
and I will take this responsibility seriously.
and I will take this responsibility seriously.
Thank you, everyone. I now request Miss Madhu Uppal ma'am, the headmistress of secondary school, to kindly come forward and do the oath-taking ceremony for our housemasters.
Once again, I welcome and congratulate dear parents and students, those who are the part of Student Council and be with us virtually today for this ceremony. This is the most significant event for the school and the defining moment for our young leaders. May God bless our young leaders with immense success and fortune. Great leaders set an example for others to follow, and these students will have the responsibility of modeling wise choices and behavior for their fellow students. We at DPS Monarch believe in imparting holistic education, and that education is churning out leaders for society and nation. They are the future leaders. So, before moving ahead, I would like to call upon our house masters and house mistresses, those who are going to further set the tone for the entire student council.
First of all, I would like to call Student Council in charge, Mr. Surendra Thapa, to take the oath, followed by House Mistress and House Master for their respective houses. We have Miss Madhubala for the House of Honesty, followed by Miss Alicia for the House of Loyalty, and Miss Mehnaz for the House of Integrity. And for the House of Peace, we have Mr. Monish to take the oath for the newly formed council. I request everyone to take pledge position and kindly repeat after me. I,
Surendra Thapa, Head of the Student Council,
I, Madhubala Barelikar, House Mistress of House of Honesty.
I, Miss Alisha Sonal, House Mistress of House of Loyalty. I, Miss Mehnaz, House Mistress of House of Integrity.
I, Monish Shah, House Master of House of Peace.
promise to uphold the honor of the school as house master or house mistress of my house at all times.
I do.
I will exercise my authority without any fear or favor.
I
do.
I shall do my best to help my students in all endeavors to promote a spirit of healthy competition and team effort.
I do.
By virtue of the power invested in me as Senior Headmistress of DPS Monarch International School, I appoint you as Council in Charge and House Masters and House Mistresses for your respective houses for the session 2021. I congratulate the newly formed council as well as house in charges for this session. I wish you all the best and may God help you to discharge your duties well. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. We now move forward and I call upon Mr. Surendra to please perform the oath-taking ceremony of the Student Council.
I promise, as a member of the Senior Student Council, I will serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will uphold loyalty to the tradition and ethos of the school.
I do.
I promise that I will respect and abide by the rules and the regulations of the school in the true spirit for the glory and the honor of my school.
I do.
I also pledge that I will respect the teachers and management and try my best to show discipline throughout the year.
I do.
I understand that it is a privilege to be on the DPS Monarch Senior Student Council, and I will take this responsibility sincerely.
I do.
I will actively take part in the school activities and endeavor to bring laurel and glory to it.
I do.
To carry the torch forward, we have here with us the head boy, Master Abhinam Jajit of DPS Monarch International School, who will now come forward and address all here present today.
Being head boy of any school is a role. It is one of course and open-minded to others, city and passionate. Being head boy of DPS Monarch definitely I'm standing here with great pride as head boy for this prestigious school. I would like to thank my teachers who thought me capable in taking up this opportunity. I pledge to deliver my duties and responsibilities with utmost sincerity and determination to give justice to this badge.
I would like to congratulate the newly appointed members for the academic session 2020 to 2021. I realize that being head boy isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about having the trust of the student council to organize and represent them with full honesty and enthusiasm whenever called upon. I had the compassion to listen and the ability to work hard. With the spirit of teamwork, I wish to inculcate values, discipline, and harmony in the lives of others, an opportunity to lead by example. On behalf of the Student Council, we also reaffirm our commitment to render our services towards the betterment of the society. We are here to make sure that the glorious flag of DPS Monarch International School fly high in the blue sky. In conclusion, I would like to say that I will leave no stone unturned to make our school scale the heights of success, trying to keep the zest intact within all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Abhinand. I also welcome our head girl of GPS Monarch International School, Ms. Atulya Subhash, to kindly take center stage and address all with her speech today.
Be strong, but not rude. Be kind, but not weak. Be humble, but not timid. Be proud, but not arrogant. Honorable school management, respected principal ma'am, headmistress, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Atulya Subhash, would like to express my sincere gratitude to each and every one of DPS Monarch family for showing ultimate faith in me and choosing me as the head girl for this academic year. On this very memorable day of mine, I promise that I shall carry out my duties with great determination and honesty. I believe that we, the members of Student Council, must not possess immense pride in us. All of us are equal and we must respect everyone's opinions. We, the members of Student Council, cannot execute the duties of our school. Rather, each and every student must put in their efforts to bring out the best of our school. I consider this as a golden opportunity and I shall try to put in all my efforts to the work I do. My school's reputation shall be my first priority and my duties shall be my honor. So let's work together and take our school to greater heights of success. Thank you.
I now take this opportunity to welcome our President and the Chief Guest of today's ceremony, Mr. Hassan Chaugule sir, who is a person par excellence and will now highlight upon the core values of our esteemed institution. He is a social worker, an avid educationist, and is the only Indian to have headed all the apex bodies of ICC, ICBF, IBPN, and ISC. He has also been awarded the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman by the President of India. Have a grand welcome, sir, and over to you.
Respected parents and my dear children, I feel proud and had a pride for our bright students, student leaders, the DPS Monarch taking oath to excel in all their tasks and assignments. I congratulate the newly appointed Council of Leaders who have oath to be role models. Today the world is desperately in need of outstanding ethical leaders in every sector. Ours will be out of them and will have a positive influence in their service to make better tomorrow. Dear students, don't be just passive consumers of information. Think, dream, wonder and innovate. I hope you may blaze the trail and carry forward the legacy of service and excellence that are synonymous with DPS family. I also congratulate the dynamic leadership of Mrs. Meenal Bakshi, Principal of Monarch, and her team for creating a vision in our students, which has helped Monarch, a successful institution, in a remarkably short time. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind and Jai Katar.
Thank you so much, respected sir. They were truly some very inspiring and enlightening words from you. Moving on, I would now like to invite our school choir, who is here to present a beautiful rendition to welcome the Student Council members. A song that conveys their blessings, their expectations, and memories that shall last them a lifetime. Over to you, performers.
We have a goal for our school. We can achieve. We can achieve. You and me will do our part. Stand together, heart to heart. We're going to show the world what our school can be. We can achieve. We can achieve. There is something down the road that we can strive for. We are strong, no dreams so bold that we can try for. There's a spirit in the air. It's a feeling we all share. We're going to build a better life for you and me. We can achieve. We can achieve. Count on me, Lord, yes. Count on me to give my best and more. You and me will do our part. Stand together, heart to heart. We're going to show the world what our school can be. We can achieve. We can achieve. Count on me, Lord, yes. Count on me when I begin. Count on me to give my best and more. Together Monarchians, Monarchians. Together Monarchians, Monarchians. Together Monarchians, Monarchians.
Thank you all the performers who presented that lovely song. That was indeed a beautiful rendition by all of you. Moving ahead, I would now like to welcome our director and the guest of honor for today's ceremony, Mr. Sridharan Kunni Ramat sir, a chartered accountant by profession and a strategic planner with Qatar Petroleum, to please come forward and share his words of appreciation with all of us here today. Over to you, sir.
Dear children, hearty congratulations for having selected to be the member of Senior Student Council of DPS Monarch International School. It's a great opportunity and at the same time, it's a great platform created by the DPS Monarch team of teachers as well as management. Being a member of the Student Council, you all have certain responsibilities and a role to play. And I'm sure in the days to come, the teachers and the mentors will guide you accordingly. The role of being a role model to other students and the peers, it brings about certain standards that need to be displayed and had to be kind of followed in your code of conduct. And you get to learn. You will get to learn a lot of skills of planning an event, organizing and executing an event, of course with the help of the teachers and other students in your team. You also learn how to manage the resources that is at the disposal. And at the same time, you carry a level of standard. And you become the ambassadors for DPS Monarch International School. And as you go outside and then as you interact with your parents, your friends, your relatives, and public in general, they all should look at you as a young leader in the making, and they should know that you are from the DPS Monarch International School. And that should be the motto for you all to carry on. And I'm sure in the days to come, with all the skills that you will be learning from the teachers and the leaders of DPS Monarch International School, you will continue to imbibe those knowledge, as well as you'll be able to implement those skills in your life as well. So my best wishes to each and every one of you, and hearty congratulations once more. Thank you.
As we draw the curtains to this wonderful and memorable day, I take this moment to thank one and all for your contribution and hard work. The investiture ceremony is a dedicated and an arduous process that requires months of vigilance and scrutiny on the part of the facilitators, the management, the students, who go through months deciding on the rightful leaders they think would be the best choice to take this journey future forward. On that note, I would now like to call upon my colleague, Ms. Shweta Koshti, to kindly come up and deliver her vote of thanks. Thank you once again, everyone who has been a part of this ceremony today, and hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.
I, Shweta Koshti, consider this occasion as an honor and privilege to express the vote of thanks. Feeling thankful and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. Today, I take this opportunity to put all the gratitude into words. I would like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Hassan Saubule, President, DPS Monarch International School, for taking his precious time out and consenting to be the chief guest for this event. Thank you, sir. I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the guest of honor, Mr. Sridharan Kunirmat, Director, DPS Monarch International School, who graced this occasion by his presence and guidance. Thank you so much, sir. We have been fortunate to have been guided by our principal, Ms. Meenal Bakshi, who has been a catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power. I would also like to thank our headmistresses, Ms. Madhu Uppal and Ms. Jyoti Gupta, for their extended support and cooperation for the event. You always help us in carrying out such important events. Thank you, ma'ams. I would like to thank the coordinators, teachers, IT support, helping staff for their assistance during the event. Our sincere gratitude goes to all our parents and students for your rock-solid support system and encouragement. A big thank you to all those who have joined us this event. I once again thank everyone for making this event a very successful one. Thank you and have a nice day.